I'm gonna do.
And wow. That is so Whoa! What the heck? This is so cool! Wait, this actually opens! What? Oh my gosh, it closes too!
For money, and there's like pretend money and like checks inside.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, and you can be like the bank teller here. This is so cool. What? Wait, I want to try that. That looks so cool. Okay. Okay, wait. Hold on. I need to try this.
If you put your phone away, just play.
No, Dad, I want to video this. Wait, so we got these little like cards here and money match. Look at this. Like it's like money on here. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, Dad, they got Panera Bread cookies. They put Panera Bread cookies.
Oh, sorry.
And we got some coins here. We got penny, nickel, dime, and 25 cents, a quarter. Look at all this. Yes. And the video. Wow. Oh. This is amazing. The sign though. Tell money stories. Tell your child about the first thing you saved to buy. Use words like more, less, or equal to help your child understand values. Ask, do you think more money or less to buy this? And make a habit of teaching your child about money. Okay. How do we budget? Where do we get money? What are we saving for? Yeah.